Natural Disasters on Event Shock channel. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to put a like, comment and subscribe. It helps the channel grow. You're awesome. At least 4 people have died as Hurricane Debby weakened to a tropical storm while continuing to batter Florida with flooding rain and storm surge. Debby made landfall early Monday morning along Florida's Big Bend as a Category 1 hurricane, hitting near Steinhatchee around 7 a.m. with winds estimated at 80 miles per hour. The storm has since weakened but still poses significant threats as it moves inland, causing power outages for over 300,000 utility customers in the state.
Hurricane going on outside.
2 deaths were reported in Dixie County, Florida, as Debby approached the coast. A 38-year-old woman and a 12-year-old boy from Crawfordville were killed in a crash on U.S. Highway 19 around 9:30 p.m. Sunday. Their vehicle lost control and struck a guardrail, with witnesses attributing the accident to the severe weather and wet roads. In Levy County, a 13-year-old boy was killed around 8 a.m. Monday when a tree fell on a mobile home. No other injuries were reported in this incident. Our thoughts and prayers are with this family as they deal with this tragedy, stated the sheriff's office. We encourage everyone to exercise extreme caution during the damage assessment and cleanup process. Downed power lines and falling trees are among the many hazards. One life lost is too many. Please stay safe. A 4th fatality occurred when a tractor-trailer lost control on southbound Interstate 75 near the Tampa Bypass Canal. The 64-year-old driver from New Albany, Mississippi, collided with a concrete barrier wall, causing the trailer to hang from the bridge while the cab separated and fell into the canal. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more daily videos. Goodbye.